Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you MagVolt Pro Charger fast charging device review. So you might be wondering, what is MagVolt here? So MagVolt here is a multi-device wall charger designed to charge up to 4 devices. As you can see, there's 4 slots or USB slots in here at the same time. Now, according to the official website here, it uses what we call QZ 3.0 technology and smart power flow, with a USB-C and USB-A ports for the devices such as smartphones, tablets, wireless earbuds, and game controllers. Now, how do you exactly use this? Well, using MagVolt is quite easy. This is straightforward, just according to them. Now, the website describes it as plug and play. So simply connect the charger to a wall outlet, plug your devices into the USB ports here, no software, app, or additional setup required. Now, the charger is designed to provide power to 4 connected devices simultaneously. Now, the website says its smart power flow automatically adjusts the output depending on the device, including older phones and tablets that don't support fast charging. Now, MagVolt here also claims it includes surge protection, as you can see right now, and short circuit protection. Now, the website says it monitors temperature and power flow while charging. It also claims that its adaptive charging helps reduce long-term battery strain by preventing overcharging. Now, the main charging technology highlighted on the website is the Quick Charge 3.0 in here, so which the company says can reduce charging time on compatible phones and tablets. The actual charging speed here will depend on device whether it supports the charging standard here. Now, if you want to learn more about it, you can visit their FAQ page here, like if it's safe to use and does it work in older device, like what we discussed before. So yeah. So the website currently advertises around 65% off and provides a 30-day money-back guarantee. It also describes the charger as a compact and built with power regulation technology. So in simpler terms here, MagVolt here is presented as a 4-port fast charger. Plug it into a wall outlet, connect up to 4 compatible devices, and let its power management system distribute charging power between them. Now, in this case, if you're interested with this product here and before purchasing it, doing your own research into the charger's exact wattage, USB output specification, compatibility with your particular devices, and even in your country here, and applicable safety certifications is actually recommended. Now, the performance and safety features mentioned in here are claims made the product website. So that's why doing your own research and even reading reviews outside the website is highly recommended. And this applies for anything that you're trying or buying online. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.